Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see how you can create your cartoon face on one click like this. This is the MKBHD one. So guys, let's begin. So guys, first of all you have to download this app called toonme.com. This is available on the Play Store, so you can just directly download it. There will be the link available in the description. Then open the apps and go to the toonme.com. Then from here just choose the photo, whichever the photo you want. Here it is. Here this is the my photo. Just select the photo and now your toon face will be ready, your cartoon face. And there are many faces available. There is a premium version also available. This is how the cartoon face of mine is looking. These are the different faces options available, and these are the 4 of them, and you get to see the lab also. In this also there are many faces available, cartoon faces. So yes, this is a fun app. You can just directly create your cartoon face from this app and just one click. So as you can see, this is the animation type one. Then this is what you get, the another one. It's taking a long time. As you can see, this cartoon faces. There is a premium version also available here, and in that premium version there are so many faces available, and this is a fun app. You can create your cartoon face in just one click. This will take 3 to 4 seconds, and after 3 to 4 seconds your cartoon face will be ready. This is how it looks, and you can revert back to the Toonme classic. And when you click on the choose photos, you get to see the celebs photo also. I did the Mr. Who's the Boss, which is one of my favorite YouTuber. As you can see, this is the cartoon face of the Mr. Who's the Boss. So yes, this is how you can create yourself also. These are so many toon effects available here. As you can see like this is the toon effect also available. So just select the photo of yours, and as you can see it is processing. So there are many cool faces available in the app, but you have to buy the premium one. And as you can see, this is the toon face of myself. So there are so many effects available here. These are all the effects. As you can see here, this one is also looking cool. This is also looking cool. I'll just select mine and just click on go. Okay, so as you can see, this is how my cartoon face is looking, and you can also animate it like this. So yes, there are so many effects available. You can just watch it out yourself. I'll just show you. These are the effects, and you can create your cartoon face and with any of these effects available. So yes, this is a great editing app. You can just directly create your cartoon face from this app in one click, and there are so many faces available, and these are the effects available. So yes, that was it. This is the cartoon face effect app, which was trending a few days before on the Twitter, the toonme.com. So yes, that is, and you can also buy the pro version. There are so many pro version effects available here. And so yes, you can buy the pro version, which is the $4.99 per month, which I'll just note my. So yeah, this was it. So guys, that's it for now. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you are new to this channel, then please guys subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section below or in the Telegram group. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, have fun, and bye.